Hi and welcome to another one-on-one with Matt. Today I'm going to show you how split works and how to use it with target mode using the L5000 from Loadrite. Buckle in, let's take a look. Let's say we're loading a truck and trailer. Our truck needs 11 tonne and our trailer needs 18. Firstly, we're going to key in 11 tonne as our target and load the truck. So now we hit split. This is going to hold the weight from the truck and will prompt for a second target. This is the point where we would enter in the trailer target. This allows us to see the truck weight, loaded weight, and remaining target. This feature is great for docketing as it shows the truck driver what was loaded on each unit and for the operator to keep an eye on while loading. All of which is information that operators are holding in the front of mind, making life in the cab that little bit easier. That's it from me today. Till next time, load once, load right, see you around.